Place your heels on a raised surface. Lift your hips into a bridge and squeeze your glutes. Begin small upward pulses while keeping your core engaged. Keep pulsing at the top of the bridge. Hold briefly to increase glute tension. Lower halfway and lift again with control. Kneel tall with your core tight. Hinge your hips back, then drive them forward with a strong glute contraction. Continue driving your hips forward. Pause briefly at the top to feel the glute activation. Lie on your back with your feet flat and knees bent. Let your knees fall open, then begin small controlled pulses inward and outward.
Lie on your back with your feet flat and knees bent. Let your knees fall open, then begin small controlled pulses inward and out.
Hold your feet with your knees bent wide. Gently rock from side to side to open your hips.
Pull your feet down gently to deepen the stretch. Hold the position and breathe comfortably.